Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to remove Steam Guard Mobile Authenticator. But first, check our special offer in the description. Let's get started. So, if you want to remove the Steam Guard Mobile Authenticator here, so maybe you're not using it anymore, well, removing it is quite easy. So, first things first is you want to go and just open up Steam here if you still have access to it. So later on, I'll be showing you if you don't have access to your Steam account as of this moment. But what you need to do is you want to go and just go to your Steam option at the top left here and want to go to settings. Now inside settings, you want to go ahead and choose the option for security, and you want to go and just choose manage Steam Guard. Now in the manage Steam Guard section or page, you want to go and click on remove authenticator and just follow the on-screen steps. Now from here, you want to go ahead and just choose either one of the options. So if you want to transfer your mobile authenticator to a new device so that the process is going to be a lot smoother, if you still want to use it on a different device, go ahead and use this one. But if you want to remove Steam Guard mobile authenticator using the Steam mobile app, then you want to go ahead and just choose this one. Now also, if you don't have access to your mobile authenticator but you still have access to your Steam account, in here you could go and just click on I no longer have access to my Steam Guard mobile authenticator so that you could log in via the default way, so through your email address or just using your password. But in this case, you want to go and just choose the option that says I no longer have access to my recovery code if you've forgotten recovery code. But if you still have it, you can go and choose this one and just enter the recovery code when you turned on Steam Guard Mobile. So usually they would give you a recovery code just in case, but you could go and just click on the remove my Steam Guard Mobile Authenticator using my recovery code. So in this case, you go and choose that one. But just in case, if you don't have your recovery code here, or you don't have access to your Steam account anymore, well, the next thing that you want to do is you want to go and just go to store.steampower.com and just try logging in. Now, usually, if you try logging in here, you should be able to basically click on sign in. So let's go and sign in here. Then you should be able to see this page here. So what you need to do is you want to go and click on help. I no longer have access to my Steam mobile app. Go ahead and select that one. Now from here, you just need to enter your email address and verify that you're human. Go ahead and click on search and just select your account. Now from here, you could go and choose one of the options. So text an account verification code to your phone number ending in the following here. Or if you don't have access to your phone number or did not receive a code, you can go and choose this one. So in this case, go and just click on text account verification, or you could go and click on no longer have access here, and you can go and just use your email address here to send the verification code. So go and just choose email. Now you should get an email from Steam here, and you just need to click on resume recovery to continue with the recovery process. Now it should give you a bunch of options, and what you need to choose here is going to be remove Steam Guard mobile authenticator in your account. Now from here, you should be able to see your Steam account name and what your friends see, and from here you just need to enter the recovery code that you've entered and just choose the remove Steam Guard mobile authenticator. But just in case you lost access, go and click on I lost my authenticator recovery code here. Go and choose that one. And you need to fill out the desired details. That includes your email address, where the Steam support would actually respond to you, and also tell them about your account. So what is the username of the account you're trying to recover? What was the first email you used on your account? And provide the phone number from your account. Now, you may want to provide other details here as well, just not your password, just necessary details, what games you bought with that account. And from here, just verify that you're human, click on send, and they will reach out to you via the email address that you've added in here, and they will inform you what other documents they need from you or information they need for you in order for them to recover your account. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.